When my middle son turned 7, he requested a spy party, and I knew it was going to be fun. Today, I'm sharing all the easy and inexpensive details of our DIY spy party. Because he was turning 7, I made him an Agent 007 shirt, and I decided to make t-shirts for my other boys too with their ages. I just used fabric paint on cheap t-shirts. As they arrived, the guests had to scan to enter. I made this son by applying paint to my son's hand, placing it on a piece of paper, and letting it dry. I also made secret agent IDs for the guests, and I handed each guest a folder containing their top secret assignment. The first party mission was to learn to handle dynamite, aka play hot potato with this dynamite that I made from paper towel rolls covered in red tissue paper, and I attached a kitchen timer from the dollar store. We also had sensory training, sharpening their senses when one was taken away. We played pin the disguise on the spy while blindfolded. We also had mind training, sharpening recollection skills by identifying missing pieces of spy equipment. I showed them a tray full of items, removed one, and saw who could guess the missing piece. We also had speed training, which was a relay race where they had to dress up in a disguise and run an obstacle course. And the final part of the party mission was to have target practice, where they practice hitting a target using pom-pom shooters. To make pom-pom shooters, cut a piece of pool noodle with a serrated knife, cut the top from a balloon, pull the top of the balloon over the pool noodle, secure in place with duct tape and knot the end of the balloon. Then you insert a pom-pom into the hole in the pool noodle, pull back the end of the balloon, and release to send the pom-pom flying. This was a hit with the 7-year-old guests. After all the games, we had cake. I made this simple cake by cutting the centers out of 2 round cakes and carving a square cake into a 7. Then I embellished with various spy items. It was super easy, but so cute. When it was time to go home, the guests left with their own simple spy set. I packed dollar store items in a brown lunch bag, added a custom tag, and stamped it top secret. I love a simple party with DIY details that make it special and memorable, don't you? If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye!